In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect your WordPress forms to HubSpot instantly using popular tools like Elementor, Gravity, Fluent, and more. Whether you're looking to streamline your data management or enhance your marketing capabilities, integrating these platforms can be a game changer for your business. Let's dive right in and get started. First, you'll want to navigate over to the HubSpot website. You can do this by opening your web browser and typing in the URL, or clicking directly if you have a shortcut handy. Once you're on the HubSpot homepage, look towards the upper right corner of the screen. There you'll find the login button. Click that and go ahead and enter your login details. If you haven't already set up an account, you'll need to do so before proceeding. This process is straightforward. Just follow the on-page instructions to create an account. Once you're logged into HubSpot, you'll land on the HubSpot homepage, which is your central hub for managing all things HubSpot. Now, to begin the integration process, look for the marketplace icon. This icon represents HubSpot's ecosystem of integration options and offers a treasure trove of apps and services that can be connected to enhance your capabilities within HubSpot. Click on the marketplace icon and you'll be whisked away to the HubSpot marketplace interface. In the marketplace menu, you'll see a section labeled apps. Please click on that and you'll be taken to a comprehensive list of available applications that can be integrated with HubSpot. For this tutorial, our focus is on connecting WordPress, so you'll want to locate the HubSpot for WordPress app. Once you've found HubSpot for WordPress, click on it and this will take you to the app's main page. Here you'll find detailed information about the app, its benefits, and user reviews. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with this page. When you're ready, look for the Install App button, which is prominently displayed. Click on that to initiate the installation process. It may take a few moments for the app to install, depending on your internet speed, so sit tight. Once the installation is complete, follow any on-screen instructions to finalize the setup. You should also verify that your app connections are working properly by testing the form submissions to ensure they're being recorded in HubSpot as expected. And there you have it, you've successfully connected your WordPress forms to HubSpot, opening up a range of possibilities for automation and management. Remember, this integration will help you centralize your customer data, making it easier to create targeted marketing campaigns and achieve your business goals. Thanks for tuning in, and be sure to like, subscribe, and check out our channel for more helpful tutorials just like this one.